goodness. This is something which normally a person would not do. Until my Lord's return, till Bassanio returns. For mine own part, as far as I am concerned, I have towards heaven breathed a secret vow. I have made a promise to God. And it is a secret promise. What is that promise? To live in prayer and contemplation. To spend that time in prayer and meditation until her husband and my Lord's return. Until Bassanio and Graziano return from Venice to Belmont, Portia has decided to take Nerissa with her and spend all the time in prayer and meditation. Meditation means thinking about doing good. There is a monastery 2 miles off. There is a religious house which is only 2 miles away. And there we will abide. Abide means stay. We will remain there. We will stay there. I do desire you not to deny this imposition. Imposition is the command, the order to take full charge of Portia's house and servants. So she's saying, I hope you will not refuse this work, this command which I am giving you. This task, imposition, more than command, it is the work or the task, the which my love and some necessity now lays upon you. I am asking you to do this because of my love towards Bassanio and the need to help Bassanio, the which my love and some necessity now lays upon you. Lorenzo, Madam, with all my heart, I shall obey you in all fair commands. Anything honorable which you want me to do, I am ready to do it for you. Portia, my people do already know my mind. My people here, the servants in the house, they already know my intentions, my desires, my wishes, and will acknowledge you and Jessica in place of Lord Bassanio and myself. They are ready to accept Jessica and Lorenzo as mistress and master of the house till Bassanio and Portia returns. Now what did Portia say? That she is going to spend her time in prayer and meditation. And so farewell till we shall meet again. Lorenzo, fair thoughts and happy hours attend you. May you be happy, may you have good thoughts. Jessica, I wish your ladyship all heart's content. I wish that all the desires of your heart will be fulfilled. I thank you for your wish and I am well pleased to wish it back on you. I wish the same things for you. Farewell, Jessica. Exeunt Jessica and Lorenzo. Now, Balthazar is a trusted servant of Portia. As I have ever found thee honest, true, so let me find thee still. You have always been honest and truthful. Now, in the work that I am going to give it to you, you should be trustworthy. Take the same letter and use thou all the endeavor of a man. That is, try to go as fast as you can. Do these things as quickly as you can. Take the same letter and use thou all the endeavor of a man in speed to Padua. And see thou render this. This is a letter. I am giving you a letter which should be handed over to my cousin Dr. Bellario, who is a lawyer in Padua. Give this letter to him. And when you give this letter to him, he will hand over to you some costumes and some documents which you should bring back to me as quickly as possible. There is no time to waste. See thou render this. Render this means give into my cousin's hand, Dr. Bellario. And look what notes and garments he doth give thee. He will give you notes, he will give you information and documents. Garments is the disguise of a lawyer. He doth give thee. Bring them, I pray thee, with imagined speed. Don't waste time. Come as fast as you can. the Tranach to the common ferry. Ferry is the public ferry, the water transport which takes people from and to from Belmont, and they are also able to come to Belmont. They can go from Belmont and they can also go to Belmont. Dr. Bell, and bring them, I pray thee, with imagined speed unto the Tranach to the common ferry which trades to Venice. That is the public boat. Ferry is the going by boat. Come there and come as quickly as you can. Waste no time in words, but get thee gone. Go quickly. Hurry up. I shall be there before thee. I shall come to the public ferry which takes people as passengers by boat to Venice. Balthasar, Madam, I go with all convenient speed. I will go as fast as I can. Come on, Nerissa. I have work in hand, Portia says, that you yet know not of. You don't know what work, what important work, what urgent work we have to do. We will see our husbands before they think of us. Even before they think of us, we will need even before they think of us, we will need them. Nerissa, shall they see us? Portia, they shall. They shall see us, but in such a habit that they shall think we are accomplished with what we lack. What we lack is, they are women, they are going to disguise themselves as men. And you must have already guessed what Portia's intention is. She is going to dress up as a lawyer, and Nerissa is going to dress up as a lawyer's clerk, and they will go to Venice in order to help Antonio, to save Antonio. Now, if you remember when I gave you the notes on the introduction to Shakespeare, it will be very easy for Portia and Nerissa to disguise themselves as men, because in Shakespeare's time, female roles were undertaken by young boys. But in such a habit means such a dress. They shall, Nerissa, but in such a habit that they shall think we are accomplished with what we lack. We are really not men, but we will dress in such a way, we will speak in such a way, we will walk in such a way that they will not be able to recognize us at all, and they will really think that we are men. I'll hold thee any wager. I'm ready to bet with you. Wager is bet. When we are both accoutred like young men, when we are both dressed up like young men, when we are both wearing our costumes, I'll prove the prettier fellow of the two. I will be smarter than you, and wear my dagger with a braver grace. I will wear my dagger by my side just like a man, and speak between the change of man and boy. Boys usually change their voices during their teenage days, and so she will speak like that in a very husky voice, and speak between the change of man and boy. The childhood voice of boys will change when they become teenagers, and so she will speak like that with a reed voice, with a very husky voice, and turn two mincing steps like this. She would have shown, instead of the two short steps which usually women take, she will take very long strides. Mincing means very short steps, and turn two mincing steps into a manly stride. She will walk like a man and speak of frays, speak of battles like a fine bragging youth. I will be very boastful and tell quaint lies. She will tell a lot of lies to make it appear that she is really a man. How honorable ladies sought my love, which I denying, they fell sick and died. These are the strange tales which she is going to tell to prove or to show others that she is a man. She will say how very great ladies, honorable ladies, fell in love and they died because she did not return their love. How honorable ladies sought my love. Now remember, Portia speaking as if she is dressed like a man. An honorable lady sought my love, which I denied. She refused to return their love. They fell sick and died. I could not do with all, but I could not help it. I could not return their love. And then I will repent. Then I will feel sorry for them because they died and I behaved very harshly towards them. And wish for all that I had not killed them. I wish that they did not die because of my harsh behavior. Because of my sake, I wish they had not died. And 20 of these puny lies I'll tell. 20 such kind of small lies I will tell. Puny means unimportant, small, petty lies. And 20 of these puny lies I'll tell, that men shall swear I have discontinued school after a 12-month. Men will believe that I have not been to school for 1 year, because I will behave in such a way that I had described to you. I have within me mind 1,000 raw tricks of these bragging jacks which I will practice. I know a lot of tricks, a lot of boastful ways, a lot of pranks which young boys indulge in. And I will practice this so that people will believe that I am a man. But come, I'll tell thee all my whole device. All my plans I will outline to you when I am in my coach, when we are traveling, which stays for us, which is waiting for us at the park gate. And therefore haste, be quick, for we must measure 20 miles today. We have to travel 20 miles today. So you have guessed what Portia wants to do. She is going to save Antonio disguised as a lawyer.